This video will show you how to replace the ignition coils on a Mazda 3. You'll have 4 of these located along the top of your engine. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Once you have your hood open, we're going to remove your upper engine cover. This is fairly simple. Take hold, lift it up and out of position. We'll set that aside. Now that we have the cover off, we have a clear view of all 4 of our ignition coils. Let's make sure we clean down this area before removing any of them. I'm using some compressed air. Now the process for one is going to be the same for all. Let's start removing our ignition coil. To remove the ignition coil, you're going to find that your electrical connector has a locking tab. We'll go ahead and press that in and pull this out of place. You can carefully use a small pocket screwdriver if necessary. We'll make our way under, and then you can see that I can depress this. You can see it moving in there. Slide that out of place. Just a quick inspection of that. I don't see any corrosion. Let's continue on. We're using an 8mm for our mounting bolt holding this down. A thorough inspection of all hardware as we continue on. Take hold of the ignition coil. You should be able to give it a twist and remove it from the valve cover. There it is, friend. Now let's prepare to install our brand new ignition coil. Along the bottom area, use a tiny bit of dielectric lubricant. That's the area that's going to slide onto the spark plug. Let's take this and get it in position. We're sliding it down gently. We're aligning the mounting bolt port. Press it all the way down onto the valve cover and install the mounting bolt. Now that I have it snug, I'm going to torque it to 60 inch-pounds. Let's just double check to make sure that's secured in place, and we'll continue on with our electrical connector next. As far as the electrical connector, just go ahead and take hold of that. We'll line it up, press it in, listen for a click. After an audible click, go ahead and give it a tug. We're trying to remove it. It should not slide out of place. Repeat the process for all others. Now it's time for the engine cover. We'll get this in position so we can gain access to our oil cap and our oil dipstick and press it into position. A light tug confirming it's properly secured. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our ignition coil. The next thing you want to do is start up the vehicle, let it run, make sure you have no check engine light, no running condition, close the hood, take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.